to BrickTrains, and I'm Joey. So today I got 1729 Pirates theme. This is this is actually a very beat up box. It is still sealed, but just barely. The seals have really been messed with, but I'm not gonna pull them. I'm calling it sealed. It's a 3-set value pack. Is that what they call this one? No, I don't call it a value pack. It's the Barnacle Bay. So it comes with set 1871, 1872, and 1873. And these were just small little box sets. Again, nowadays we would pretty much call them poly bags. A couple minifigures in each. And well, you got one minifigure in 2 of them and 2 in 1 of them. Again, this is all part of the Pirates theme, which is I think a pretty good theme, really. You got a $3 coupon on the back, which is why this box is so hard to get. Guess what? Everybody cut that coupon out. So even if you had a little bit of collecting, you had somebody that was thinking about collecting or something, then these coupons that hurt, because that's it's $3. $3 is a pretty good amount of money back then. Each side of the box gives another view of the sets. So we got different little scenes there. So not having one built or having any of the pieces out that I can build, all I'm really doing here is showing a sealed box. So yeah, there you go. Set 1729 Barnacle Bay from the Pirates theme. Thanks for watching. Comment contest. So set 1729 Barnacle Bay, which is a value pack, contained 3 smaller sets. What were those 3 smaller sets? First correct answer in the comments, and we'll pin you to the top.